Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can download LTX Studio. In order to do so, we're going to start here at ltx.studio and we're all logged in on the website. However, if you look around here, or if you go to the homepage as well, you're not going to find any information on downloading LTX Studio. The reason being is because you're going to want to head over to huggingface.co. Now, in order to download LTX, this is a more advanced installation. So if you are a beginner, or you're just sort of an amateur as far as downloading from Hugging Face or from any open source type platforms, GitHub, things of that sort, then just do your research before you install it, because you're just going to find that it's a little bit more complicated than just clicking on a link and downloading. You're going to probably want to run it through Comfy UI. So I would recommend going to YouTube and just doing some research on how to install Comfy UI and how to install LTX as well. But let's go ahead and just take a look here and do an AI overview so that you have an idea of what it is that you are going to be doing. So first off, you're going to want to download the LTX video model from Hugging Face. Then you're going to have to open the Comfy UI application and locate the Comfy UI desktop icon. Right-click the icon and select Open File Location. Navigate to the following directory: Resources, Comfy UI Models, Checkpoints, and place the downloaded model file in this directory. If you have already set up the Stable Diffusion 3.5 model, you can skip this step, but you are going to want to download the clip files. This is optional, but if not, you'll need to download the clip files from the provided link. So you can probably head over to Google and just look up how to download LTX Studio in order to gain access to the link. Once the model is installed, you can use LTX Studio to generate AI videos directly from your computer. But this is the only way to do it. There's no specific download that you can just install from the LTX site in order to be able to go through this process. So again, if you're a bit of a beginner when it comes to installations, just be aware that this is more of an advanced installation. So you're going to want to do some research before you install and download LTX Studio. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're looking for a new bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link there in our link tree, you'll get $50 to start. And once you've gotten started, you can refer your friends and family, and you'll get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a win-win situation, and Simply Financial is a fantastic bank. Comes highly recommended.